Okay, question 21. Let's get the graph of this. Again, take these values here from -1 and 1. That's what they'll ask, okay? This time I won't show you how, the reasoning behind it. I just want you to just use a bit of common sense here, okay? Use those values between -1 and 1, okay? So put them into your calculator. If I get my calculator and put in shift cos -1, this time you get pi out, right? So it's going to go up here, right? So when it's -1, you get pi out. Put 0 in. So you get pi over 2, okay? So when it goes through 0, goes through the y-axis, you get pi over 2. And put 1 in, get 0, okay? So kind of got that sort of downward slope there, okay? So when you draw it, it's going to look a little bit like that there, okay? Of course, negative gradient, we're going to expect that. We've got to expect negative gradient because in the formula booklet, isn't it? Cos inverse x becomes, when you differentiate it, minus, isn't it? 1 minus x squared. There's a minus in front, it's got to be negative gradient. That's what we're expecting. When it comes into part B, take the cos to -1 over, so you get cos y equals x. That's what they say, isn't it? Write it as x equals cos y. Differentiate, that becomes 1, that becomes minus sine y dy dx. So then dy dx becomes minus then 1 over sine y. Same nonsense over here then, do the sine squared plus cos squared y equals 1, and then you get sine y equals plus or minus square root 1 minus cos squared when you work through all that. So what we do then is we sub that in. Okay, and then you've got to realise then, well, I want negative gradient now. So if I want negative, what have I got to take here? I've got to take the positive root, haven't I? If I take the positive root, I'll end up with a negative gradient. Okay, so take a positive root since dy dx is greater than 0. So take the positive root. This becomes positive, but you've got a negative there then. So therefore, dy dx would equal negative 1 over 1 minus cos squared. Well, cos is x, so cos squared would be x squared, and you get the answer from the formula booklet.